Welcome, fam. If your hips feel stiff, your back's tight, and your energy's dragging, this is your wake-up call. In just 5 minutes, we'll unlock tension, restore mobility, and light up your entire body before the day even starts. Let's hit the mat. This one's about reclaiming your full range of motion. Not just waking up, but activating every major muscle group. Squat low, feet wider than hips, toes slightly out. Drop into a deep squat. Place one hand down for support and reach the other arm high to the sky. Exhale as you twist, then return to center and switch sides. Feel your spine rotate, your hips open, your chest expand. I promise this will wake up more muscles than your morning coffee. Beginners can get low. Just widen your stance and keep your heels down. Advanced stretches need an extra challenge? Hold at the top of each twist for an extra breath. Did you know that rotational mobility helps prevent low back and shoulder injuries? Now hold that last rep 5 seconds longer. Do you feel that deep stretch across your side body? That's your fascia releasing, and that just unlocked your spine. Now let's open up your hips. Now shift your weight to one side, bending that knee and keeping the opposite leg long. Stand tall through your chest. Flow side to side like a dance. Don't rush. This is where your hips rediscover their space. I promise the more we train side to side movement, the fewer aches you'll feel sitting, walking, or even running. If you can't get low, hands on a chair or wall for support. Here's a fun fact. Most low back pain stems from tight inner hips. That's why you're doing this now before it becomes chronic. 5 more seconds. Stay low. Breathe into the stretch. Feeling tight on one side more than the other? That's where the imbalance lives. Let's get into those hammies and lengthen the spine. Stand tall, feet wide, hinge forward from the hips, reaching for opposite toes. Lift hand to right foot, then switch. This is where the magic happens. Glutes lengthen, spine decompresses, tension disappears. You may not be able to touch your toes yet, but I promise, stay consistent and that changes fast. Beginners, just reach as far as you can. Advanced stretches, pause at the bottom and hold. The stretch isn't just in the touch, it's in the reach. Hold that last reach. 5 more seconds. Feel the pull behind your knees or in your lower back. Either way, this is where you grow. Time to open your heart, literally. Clasp your hands behind your back, pull your knuckles down, lift your chest up, and breathe deep. This one resets your posture from all the sitting, scrolling, slouching. I promise just 60 seconds of this can undo hours of tech neck. Use the towel between the hands if you can't clasp them yet. 5 more seconds. Can you lift the chest just a little higher? Is your chest rising more freely? That's your breath deepening. We've opened up the body. Now let's ease the tension in the most neglected area. Gently drop your right ear to your shoulder. Slowly roll your chin down and around to the left. Then reverse. No rushing, no forcing, just gentle, controlled motion. This is often the most skipped stretch, and yet it might be the one that shifts your entire mood today. Why? Because I promise, when your neck relaxes, your nervous system follows. Sit down if you need extra support. If you need more of a challenge, add gentle pressure with the opposite hand. 5 more seconds in this slow roll. Do you feel that knot unraveling behind your ear? That's tension finally releasing. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy. Even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.